Need to back up your project or move it between accounts? Here's how to download and import both projects and chats on BIELA.DEV. To download a project, from your user dashboard, find the project you want to save. Click the download icon and a zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Unzip the file and your full project folder will be ready to use. To import a project, on your dashboard, click Upload Project. Select the folder you want to upload and BIELA will take care of the rest. The project will appear just like any other. To download a chat history, on your dashboard, click the Download Chat button next to any project. This will export the entire conversation and prompt history as a file you can save. To import a chat, just click Import Chat, select the file, and it will load right into your dashboard, ready to continue prompting from where you left off. Quick, easy, seamless. That's how we do it on BIELA.DEV.